I downloaded Robinhood in 2020 thinking I was about to get rich. 3 weeks later, I had no idea what I owned, why I owned it, or what half the buttons even meant. Nobody told me the truth about these apps. So today, I am telling you everything. Here is what nobody tells you when you first open one of these apps. They are not all the same. Robinhood, Webull, and Empower are built for completely different types of investors. And if you pick the wrong one for where you are right now, you are going to be confused, frustrated, and probably make expensive mistakes. I know because I did. Let me break it down for you. No jargon, no gatekeeping. Let us start with Robinhood. This is the app that made investing feel like a game, and that is both its biggest strength and its biggest danger. The good, it is dead simple. You open it, you search a stock, you buy it. Done. No confusing menus, no overwhelming dashboards. For a complete beginner who just wants to buy their first share of Apple or Amazon, Robinhood is the fastest on-ramp. The commission-free trading model they pioneered changed the entire industry. Every other platform had to follow. But here is what they do not advertise. Robinhood makes money through something called payment for order flow. That means when you place a trade, they are selling your order to market makers, and you might not always get the absolute best price. For small trades, the difference is pennies, but you should know it exists. Also, and this is important, Robinhood's educational resources are thin. If you are trying to actually learn investing, not just buy stocks, you will outgrow it fast. Best for total beginners. Your first stock purchase, a simple buy and hold strategy. Now, Webull, this is where it gets interesting and where most beginners get tripped up. Webull is more powerful than Robinhood. It has real-time data, advanced charting, paper trading so you can practice without real money, and extended hours trading. For someone who wants to actually study the market, Webull is a serious upgrade, but the onboarding is a maze. And I want to walk you through the 3 things that confuse me most because nobody warned me. Number 1, when you sign up, they are going to ask you about a margin account versus a cash account. Choose the cash account. A margin account lets you borrow money to invest, which sounds great until you lose borrowed money and owe it back with interest. As a beginner, you do not need that risk. Cash account only. Number 2, there is a feature called cash management. Turn it on. It earns you around 4 to 5% APY on your idle cash. Money just sitting in your account that is not invested yet. It is FDIC insured. It is free. There is no reason not to have it on. Number 3, and this one is sneaky. The stock lending income program. Webull will ask if you want to enroll. It sounds like free money. Here is the truth. If you enroll, you lose your SIPC protection on lent shares, and any dividends you receive get taxed as ordinary income instead of the lower qualified dividend rate. Unless you have a portfolio over $10,000 and really understand what you are doing, skip it. Best for intermediate beginners who want to learn charts, practice trading, and get serious about the market. Now let us talk about Empower. And this one is different from the other 2. Empower is not really a trading app. It is a wealth tracking and financial planning tool. You connect all your accounts, your bank, your 401k, your brokerage, your credit cards, and it gives you a complete picture of your net worth in one place. It is completely free for the dashboard. They do have a paid wealth management service, but you do not need it. The free version alone is one of the most powerful financial tools a beginner can use. Why? Because most people have no idea what their actual net worth is. They do not know how their spending is affecting their investments. They do not see the full picture. Empower fixes that. I use it as my financial command center. Robinhood or Webull for buying stocks. Empower to track everything and make sure I am actually building wealth, not just moving money around. Best for anyone who wants to see their complete financial picture. Use it alongside your trading app, not instead of it. So here is the honest breakdown. If you are brand new, start with Robinhood. Buy your first stock. Get comfortable. Do not overthink it. Once you are ready to learn, Move to Webull. Use the paper trading feature. Study the charts. Set up cash management on day one. Skip the stock lending program. And no matter which app you use, connect Empower. Today, for free, know your number. The biggest mistake beginners make is not picking the wrong stock. It is not having a system. These three tools together give you a system. And a system is what separates people who build wealth from people who just talk about it right now. Or which one are you about to download? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this helped you, share it with someone who has been putting off investing because they did not know where to start. That person exists in your life. Send it to them.